got a phone call from the United States government with the post office. So that means one thing: chicks are here. So we're gonna go pick up chicks. They were happy when I told them we'll be right there. They sounded very elated.
Air conditioner on this morning.
Normally we play music, but because of copyright laws, we can't do that. So it's gonna be a
Quiet ride.
quiet ride.
Unless we decide we have something to talk about.
Okay, what are we gonna talk about?
I don't know. Getting there. More red buds. More red buds. This is our little town.
Yes.
This town, this is Strasburg. It's a cute little town. I've lived here most all my life in this town. I, as an adult, couldn't wait to get out of town, so. Ain't nobody else gonna stop. Thank that guy for stopping, because you know he did what he's supposed to do. So yeah, you go in, ask him if I can film in there. If not, just come out with the birds.
So there
There they are.
And they're lively. They were happy to get rid of them. So anyway, now we're going over to the neighbors who has brooder that we partner with.
Is we partner with Rock Ridge Homestead in order to raise these birds. We could do them on our homestead. They have more pasture land. They're learning. We're teaching them. So you'll meet Jess here in just a few minutes. All right, here we go. Going back home.
Just make a big old circle.
Yeah, we'll make a big old circle. I'll show you a little bit more of this little town.
There's Main Street. There's a lot of small businesses up here.
We have a brewery, a couple Airbnbs. That's the old newspaper building. We're not using that anymore. Lots of architecture here.
Oh yeah.
Church. It's a Lutheran church. The last one was a Methodist church.
Got the brooder set up. I just have to turn on the mother hen, give them some water, get some food, and then they will be set.
Yep.
Show them what the food and water is. Go through the box. You may look at the other ones that are out in the field pasture. They go to freezer camp. Graduate, however you want to put it, in a couple of weeks.
Yeah, they're still looking small though, compared to what we usually raise.
Well, the first batch.
I know they're a week less, but we butcher at 9 weeks, so they're right on target for 8-week butcher when they should be done, and they look small.
And we're fermenting their feed. They get moved on pasture. A lot of people fossil hunt on this hillside.
Yes, they do. They fossil hunt on this shale hill.
Yeah.
Sometimes we will have rock slides down this hill too.
One of the old history books that I picked up from the emporium near us actually has a photograph of that road that we just came up back in the 1700s.
Yes.
Dirt.
And it also has pictures of our homestead and Rockridge Homestead and the battle lines and the history of the Civil War battle.
Yes, there was a battle fought up through here.
Battle of Fisher's Hill.
Yep.
We are right here.
Yeah.
Now, let's see. Our homestead is over there. Okay? And we're going to turn in here. This is Rockridge Homestead. Let's see if we can't get a hold of Jess, get these chicks in the brooder.
There's Jess.
Where's she? Oh, she's down here. She was on the Polaris a minute ago.
Down there with the helmet.
Yes, she has some nice farm help. All right. Got the brooder. What?
Good.
Look at the little fluff balls. Okay.
Little fluff balls. Little fluff balls. Oh, just get piggies out.
What?
Get piggies out.
Oh no, they're not out. She went down here though. I don't know where she's at.
Surprise. Usually they're
She in the brooder room. Did you tell her we were coming?
I did.
Oh, you did. See, I thought this was going to be a surprise for her.
Little pig, little pig. Hi, bud. How's it going? You get some fluff balls? Fluff balls? You do? I know they go in there. Yes, I do.
Did you see him? He said they go in there.
Yes.
Oh,
We see them.
what are we doing? Did you say shh?
What are we doing with the chickens? Where do they go?
In there?
Yep.
They sound nice and healthy. What are you trying to cut that with?
Whatever was laying on the shelf.
No, we know it's in the Christmas gift.
Look, I got a knife somewhere.
You want to get in there?
Do you want in?
Do you want in? Don't step on him. I think he knows, right?
Sit down in the corner.
Just give me the post office box. I don't know why they gave you the postal box.
Oh, it's just so that you don't step on it.
Ready?
There we go. You ready?
Look at them.
I'm going to get water.
Okay. What do you think? Yeah? Now count them. One, you gotta count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
51. There's one right behind you. Don't step backwards.
I know. I don't move my feet. I don't move my feet until I look.
All right.
Probably have to get
I think we put it. Didn't we put the fluff too deep? Hold on a minute, buddy. We'll get you out in a minute.
Oh my! There we go, bud. It's the
It's this one.
yeah. Once you set that down,
Hold on, I will.
heavy.
Got it.
And the only reason I'm saying a heat lamp right now is tonight and tomorrow the low is going to be 34 and 36. After that, it's going to go up. Get out of it. Don't be in it.
Some other hound. You wanna see? You see him? Yeah. Come on, stand on the bucket. Stand right there. Put some rocks in there.
Stay out of it.
You have more over here too. Need more?
Yeah.
A couple more.
Then I want to get it.
Can you see, honey? Okay, hey, what is it? What is in there? What is it?
What are those?
You'll just see the other sea monsters.
The other sea monsters, the other.
Velociraptors.
Yeah.
Oh, we need to throw this in here. We haven't done this. We made a brooder.
Yeah.
Jess and I made a brooder.
Yeah.
Out of scrap.
Out of scrap.
Everything here. is
This
scrap. So,
entire door slides and comes out. The only thing that we found that we did wrong was, yeah, we should have dropped the height of the opening here.
That's okay, because I just cheated.
You cheated and went to the water was the main issue. That the little food spills, it doesn't matter. But these are guys that I hatched for Jess, and they are getting bigger. These are all mixed. They have a black copper Moran daddy and several different moms. I'm thinking that these brown ones are the buffs. We have buff Orpingtons.
Let's go. Yeah, you. Come here.
What? That one?
He has feathers.
On his feet, that's Moran. That is the trait of the black copper Moran, because we have fresh black copper roux.
Yes, so I have 1, 2, I think that have feathers on
That one's got feathers on his feet. This one's got feathers on his feet. This one, they all have a little bit of feathers on his
Even
feet.
this one does.
Yeah, it's because of the father being a Moran.
Is she pretty though?
That has to be the buff Orpington and the Moran. See what they look like. Barnyard mix.
Station 1, Station 2.
Velociraptors.
Wow. Just amazing how green it comes out.
Yeah, last year, that down there,
Last
where we
year,
ran
it
the
was sorta
chickens
like-
last year.
Sort of like rough. But
Ran them all through here. It was like this here, wasn't it, Jess? This right here?
This right here, and more so that over there, where the...
Yeah, and now
now
it's all there.
big.
All nice and thick. These guys act like they're hungry, and I know you fed them already because they're out. Is the fence on? Because they're touching.
Fence is on, but they could care less.
These guys get butchered
In
2 weeks. They are looking a little small. Even the larger ones are looking a little small.
Don't touch the fence.
Here, give me your hand.
Best thing I ever bought was a gate. They know what's in my orange bucket. Tricked you. The pre-morning snack.
Pre-morning snack.
Yeah. Second breakfast, pre-morning snack.
John has found something.
Glass.
Glass. Putting it in a pile to clean for later?
Yeah, so originally it all looked like this section right here.
Yeah. this, all of this grass section, like this, that was kind of buried in patches, turned into that, just from running chickens on it last year.
Last year when we ran them, it was this. Now it's that.
Yeah, because I was worried we didn't have enough grass for them.
So
Right.
anybody that doesn't realize or think this works, it works.
Yeah.
Firsthand, within a year.
Yep.
I mean, it was rough and cleared. It was cleared, and I didn't think it would come back as well, as thick as it has.
Right.
That's amazing. You wanted 6
Okay,
chickens.
look, chicken math. Have you not seen this? It goes, I just want 3, 6, 8. Stop judging me, okay? We're now at 75 chickens on the property.
Yes.
Well,
Really?
you just brought 50, right?
Yes.
Oh, you're counting meat chickens too. I'm like,
Yeah.
what?
Yeah, there are.
I thought you were talking about
like-
your laying hens.
No, there are 39 plus 8. What's 39 plus 8?
47.
Plus 10.
Right.
So I have 57 laying hens.
But you originally only wanted
6.
6. And,
That's how chicken math works.
but here's the thing a lot of people don't realize, or know, people don't know, that when you all bought this, you all had no experience.
No.
And you all have put in raised bed gardening. You raised 200 meat birds, built a chicken coop, 2 chicken coops, raised
And a
hens,
greenhouse.
did
And a
10
greenhouse.
hogs last year,
Yeah.
10 hogs last year, and no experience. So
And ducks.
ducks.
Oh, yeah.
Ducks.
And ducks. So we built
No.
infrastructure, learned in a year.
Mm-hmm.
Now I have another question. Remember all those eggs I sat
Mm-hmm.
for the next lady? For another friend of mine? She's getting 12.
Yeah.
We have 19. You want the rest?
It's called chicken math. Just they appear. It
I
is.
don't know where the eggs